Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2003 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter automatic, and I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. I'm going to be using this Mobil 1 full synthetic 530 engine oil. The OEM recommendation is conventional oil, but the customer wants full synthetic. I'm going to be using a BG MOA engine oil treatment and a oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a universal engine oil pan drain plug. This is a band type oil filter wrench, funnel, flat tip screwdriver, and my oil drain pan. I'm going to be removing the oil filler cap. It's going to be in the front of the motor on the passenger side. So remove it, and immediately I'm going to be putting in my funnel. So we're underneath the vehicle. This is towards the back side of the motor. There's an oil pan drain plug, so I'm going to be removing it. Okay, so we're going to be putting back the drain plug. The washer is actually stuck on the plug, so just reuse it. There's nothing wrong with reusing it. We're going to be replacing this oil filter. I'm going to be using this oil filter wrench. It's band type to remove it. Okay, I forgot to mention the oil filter is in the front of the motor on the driver's side right here. So we got to look at the block, make sure there is no gasket stuck on it. If there is, make sure you remove it before you put the new filter on. So I'm going to be oiling up my filter. This rubber seal, put some oil on the seal, so then that way when you spin it on, it just slides right on, it won't bind up. So we're wiping down the block. We're screwing on the filter. I'm going to be adding in my oil, 6 quarts. I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. Okay, right after I remove the funnel, immediately put your oil filler cap on. That'll be good practice. Make it real tight so it doesn't vibrate loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. Let it run for a little while. That should be enough. So we're going to turn off the engine and check the oil level. So now we're going to be checking the oil level. The dipstick is right on the top, right towards the back center of the engine. There's an oil symbol on the handle. So pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, and it's right there, right up to the full. So put it back in and you're good to go. So that's how you change oil and oil filter. If this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.